Alright, so I logged on to stemscopes and clicked on math, and at the top I went to scopes here, and then I did my filter for first grade math, and then I scrolled down and found this data analysis and clicked on it, and then underneath explain has the picture vocabulary that is listed in lesson, the Monday's lesson. So you click over here, assign to students. It says, and then you fill out this little part. So mine's going to be math, and then entire section, not just individual students. The start date I put on that Monday. I don't think I put a due date on mine. But then it says allow assignment to be accessed until specific date. So I put the 30th on Sunday. And then you can add a note if you wanted to. I said look at the pictures and have a family member read the words to you. And then add this assignment, and it'll assign it to your class. I've already done that, so I didn't want to do it again, but I haven't done this one, so let me see. It says show what you know part 2. This was for, I think, like Thursday's assignment. So okay, so I'm going to go up here and I'm going to assign to students in math, entire selection. This was for Thursday. Oh, I don't know about due dates. All the way to, just a second, Addie.
I started this.
And so then it says, I don't know if I need to make a note, but assign this assignment. And then it says assignment created. Alright, that's what I figured out. I'm not sure if it worked or not, but